Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the server permissions for all the members on Discord Mobile. So the process isn't that complicated, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go into your Discord server where you want to change the permissions for everyone. Then you'll see at the top here are three vertical dots. If you tap on those three dots, what you want to tap on right now is the settings option. Once you've tapped on settings, you just want to scroll down until you find the roles options. So here it is right over there. I'm going to tap on roles. And now once you're on the roles page, you just want to scroll down until you find the @everyone. So for me, it's right there at the bottom. I'm going to tap on @everyone. And these are all the permissions for the @everybody. So you can see here, the first one is view channels. If you want that permission on, just go ahead and make sure that is ticked on. You can pretty much tick on all the ones that you want to go ahead and do. So it's all up to you. It'll be different for every single person. Let me just say I want them to be able to, let me just find one here that's pretty common. So let me say if I don't want them to be able to add reactions, so this one right here, then I would just uncheck that, and then they are not able to add reactions. But I actually do want that, so I'm going to leave it on. But that's the process of what you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.